today what's up, guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to make Play-Doh out from marshmallows.
Awesome, right?
So first we have Mr. G here, my inventor, and we have a guest here today.
Hi. Also, we'll need a microwave.
Okay.
So
this is coconut oil.
We have coconut oil. So what you need first is marshmallows.
I would say 15.
Yeah, 15 marshmallows.
Big ones.
Corn flour. What's that?
Squeaky.
This is food coloring. You can put any. We've got red today.
Food coloring, but I wouldn't do it because I'm allergic.
Don't touch anything. Yeah? Just leave it like that.
Yeah.
Because you're gonna be doing it in a minute anyway. So what you need is 1 spoonful of
Coconut
oil. So this is about it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Very, very healthy.
Then what you need is corn flour or any starch. Usually the corn flour is best. And I'd say put
Half a dozen?
No, just a cup like
But
this.
that is half a dozen.
Half a dozen
if you
eggs.
think of it in...
Okay, so this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's that much, so it's 1 cupful of corn flour.
If you think of it in tiny
Now,
little pieces.
apparently, guys, I want you to subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And remember the last video that we did, which was how to make a cannon out of an old glue stick. The part 2 will be uploaded today, so I want you to please do tell me in the comment section below. Because
Okay, so the next thing is we're gonna you can put the food coloring. I advise you to put it on the marshmallow bit, not on the starch.
okay.
Oh
no, that means that I can't eat this in any
Oh!
Even if I wanted
He's
to, I can't.
bleeding!
He's bleeding!
You don't have to put any food coloring, but this is just to give it a little bit of a kick and a color.
Yeah, so we're using food coloring, but you can use whatever you like.
I'm bleeding!
Ouch, he's bleeding!
You don't have to have any food coloring. So what we need to do is
You
we need
don't
to
have
put it into the microwave first.
Okay, so tools in microwave.
What happened to you, Gabriel? Bleeding.
Oh, sorry.
Where's the... Just a sec, guys. You can stop it for a second. Because I think...
Sorry, guys. So these are the marshmallows then. You're just about to go inside the microwave whenever ready. Okay, so we're about to put it into the microwave.
I know. So, you put it inside for 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
So, we need to count. 30, 29. Oh, what's happened?
Okay, so the marshmallows
Nothing's
are
happened.
actually not ready yet, so we'll have to put them again.
Because we didn't switch it. We did.
It is on.
Okay.
Okay, well, we'll just wait for the marshmallows to boil. So guys, just to quickly confirm, this is what we made earlier. Well, not really me, but another guy. Some other people. So this is it. Now, give it a smell. So it's lovely. I want you to tell me, how does it feel to you? Please do tell me in the comments section below on how it is. Oh, it's ready. It's working.
Okay, are you ready? Wow, look at that.
There it is. Look at that. They're turning to super size.
Wow. Hold on.
Oh, Mac and my toast. What? So that is it.
And then you stir it all together.
That's gooey.
Just like so.
Yeah! Do you have to kill it?
Can you smell it?
Oh, that smells so good.
It is so
Please, guys, tell me how it does smell in the comment section below. And tell me, did you like it or not?
Did you like it?
Can you?
Oh, I do like it. So really, guys, I would recommend
The point is
this.
not to eat it, but if by some accident it comes into your mouth, it's not toxic and it's not going to cause any damage.
Oh, brilliant!
So Lisa, if you have like...
What you need to now help me with is we need to knead it. Look how sticky it is.
Yeah?
Do you want to do that?
Yeah,
Okay,
I'll just
come on.
pause it. Right, so we will continue the video when it's all needed. Okay guys, so it's just about ready. And Oh, look at that. It's ready to play with.